Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we have this motorcycle, a mini bike seeming, okay, it's from 1970, and what kind of motor is it? It's a Kohler, I don't know how to pronounce it, Kohler motor, built in Wisconsin, USA, 4 horsepower, so 24 miles an hour is top speed. We got the horn, okay, then we have the steering wheel, this, the thingy that makes it go on, a soup can as the air filter, the button to start it, the gas, the springs, obviously the chain, the brake, I don't know, the wheels, and then I'm pretty sure these were like blinking lights or something, but they're not on here anymore. It's from 1970, and you could get this from jcpenny. Actually, and then this is obviously how you go, but don't do it without it turned on because it could overflow the tank. And yeah, like I said, the brake, the wheel, of course, the duct tape, not included. Then here's how it works, okay? So you turn this in the throttle, and then it goes, I think the gas goes down or something, and then goes from here. Always turn this off or else the gas is gonna leak. Down into the motor, which makes something happen in here. The carburetor. Sorry. And the filter. And then that. And then the button, the most important, it's red. And that's how you turn it on. Then we have that seat, and I want to turn it on now. Go! This is a turn it on.
There's no way it just broke.
So we had a malfunction because of my cameraman. Okay, when we were trying to turn it on. So this is supposed to go in here, I think. Yeah. Then it goes down here to something. Then you pour it and it like turns on. Like and subscribe if you want this. If it was new.